I'm Lucas, and you're watching 1194 video. I just got it back home. I just purchased this right here. This is a 1968 Ford Mustang. I know it's a little shaky. I'm having to use my phone. It's already been to the blaster. We've already sandblasted it. Got it all back. There's the insides there. There it is for now. We'll go ahead and unload this and we're going to go back and pick up a second one. Okay, I got the car out of the garage today. It's Tuesday today. Basically what I'm going to be doing today on this car, I'm going to go ahead and strip everything down off of it to where it's nothing but just the hull of the car. Get these fenders took off, get the doors taken off because I got new doors from Dynacorn, new fenders. I basically have a complete car in a box from Dynacorn. So I'm going to go ahead and start tearing this one right here down. In the trunk you see all the areas that's rusted on this thing. I've got all this new. Basically I have everything new. Now all the quarters are going to be cut off, roof skin, everything on this. Easiest way to remove a quarter panel, the whole part, Air Force 250 CI plasma cutter. Now, it's time to use the Sawzall, cut this top off. I've cut it. It's gonna make it easier for me to get all this metal down, get this drip rail off. But you want to keep this support right here in there because you're gonna notch it so that you can cut it down for your Fastback. And then there's the top. And go ahead and I'm gonna get this quarter right here cut out as well. Rear section's exposed. You're going to be putting, of course, Fastback quarters on, which, you know, I'm going to replace everything. When you put Fastback quarters on back here, it's not the same. It's not the same length in your trunk. Your trunk will be going up higher now rather than going flat. It'll still roll down flat like this, but rather than flat here, it rolls up into the top. But I don't know, but I may leave the coupe rear seat in it and put, of course, the Fastback trap door, and then put a pan here just like my dad's car to make a shelf for subwoofers. But there's what I got done to it thus far. Guys, that's going to be it for this little segment of part 1 to my 1968 Mustang Eleanor build. I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. I'll be sure to reply back if it's a serious comment. I thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button.